This is on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas cruise ship. This is the Flow Rider Surf Simulator, which is very fun. Kids love this. This is a great addition to this ship. There is only one Flow Rider. Some ships have two. This one only has one. Also in this back portion here is the hideout, which is the adults only pool area as well as sun deck. This is also an overview of the water slide area, the water slide tower. This is where two of the water slides are. This is a very popular area. This is very busy, as you can see. There's a lot of people out here. This hideout area with the adults only pool, it's a very popular area. It's unique. No other Royal Caribbean ship has this kind of layout and setup that has a pool overlooking the rear. To ride the Flow Rider, you have to sign a waiver. For children, parents have to sign the waiver. Once you've signed it, you don't have to do it the rest of the trip. You get a wristband and then you just get in line each time you want to go. This was very busy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes per person, and then there's a couple of minutes between each session, so it's 5 or 6 minutes between each rides. So if you have 5 or 6 or 7 people in front of you, you know it's going to be a little bit of a wait. Now, one thing that was interesting here is they don't allow, if you're boogie boarding on your stomach like this, they don't allow you to do like barrel rolls or any kind of flips here. You can see he does a barrel roll here, and the worker shakes his finger and says, "Hey, don't do that again." My son got kind of turned off and really didn't want to do the Flow Rider again after that. The Flow Rider gets very busy. We did it the first day and then didn't do it again the rest of the trip just because the lines were so long to wait for it. Kids ended up doing the slides more frequently than the Flow Rider, but it is fun. If you are skilled enough to surf, to stand up surf, you do have that ability. You have to kind of prove that you can do that, and then they'll let you do the surfing portion, which is a lot of fun to watch and to do. After watching this for a few sessions, we came to think that it'd be more efficient if one of these workers, you see there's 2 workers on each side, one on each side, if one of them was at the top getting the next person ready to go, so that way it would speed up the process a little bit. And we kind of got frustrated that they wouldn't do that. Once one person would fall, it'd take time, and that's where it would take a lot of time between people. And so we didn't really want to wait 45 minutes to an hour each time to ride the Flow Rider, so that's why we only did it at a limited time. This is overlooking Port Miami, so while the Icon of the Seas is in port in Miami, doing this on the first day of our cruise. So it is fun, it is a nice addition, but if it's got a long line, just know you're going to wait a long time. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.